Zaina is a casual social software. Its best feature is the creation of social events in anywhere, at any time. Currently, the types of social activities covered the major social types for university students, including study, sports, and entertainment. Also, we provide the chat room for each social activities. Each participant can talk about what they want and make friends with others who contain the same interest. Next, let us know the software works, the process of software work. In the opening page, we can see the two buttons, login and sign up. If you have the account in Zenly, you can just directly log in login page. If you are a new user, we can register a new account. You should contain a username, email, and a passport. Let's do this. When you successfully log in our software, you will jump to the map page, and in the map page, we will automatically navigate your position and show all the social activities in your map. And in the search bar, you can search you can search any activity you are interested. And when you click it, you can turn to the event page. If you want to create your own activities, you just could directly click your screen, double click your screen, and then click the create button next. You will jump to the event creation page. In this page, you can upload a photo from your gallery or from your camera. Let's use the camera. And in this page, we can change any parameter. For example, such as your name, such as the event name, the time, and the duration, participant, and the types. Even you could write down some interesting description in here. And in the next location, you can preview your created position. And when you click the creative event, this event will show on your map. Next, my other teammates will introduce the chat room feature and the profile feature.
The next function is real-time chat. Users can go to the chat list by the tab navigation on the button. So all the events are displayed in this page. The events are displayed into started events and pending events. User can also search the relevant event by its name, and the image of event, the name, and the number of participants are displayed on each chat room. Users can just click to enter the relevant chat room. It's a real-time chat. just have hello. Hi. The word of user and its name are recorded for each messages. And if user are interested in this event, he or she can click the header and navigate to the relevant events page and join the event easily.
We can navigate to the profile page by clicking on the bottom and the right of the navigation bar. In this page, we can see the profile photo and the username. And there's a default image. We set it for the profile photo. We can take a photo or upload from the device to use it as our profile photo. Next is the My Event section. I can navigate to the event that I'm currently hosting or participating now by just clicking on the card. Then it will take me to the event information page that I'm currently hosting or participating. And we can go back, just click on the bottom at the top of the corner. Next is the COVID exposure feature. I can set my health stage with this feature. Then all the users that are in the same event with me will get notification to say that they better have themselves tested before join or host other events. I can set my stage to others as well. For example, pending, or back to negative. Lastly is the host event history. It would record all events the user hosted here. And we can navigate to other pages by just clicking on the navigation bar.
We have used several different technologies to implement our app. For the front end, we use React Native along with Redux and the Python Django framework for backend. In terms of database, we selected MongoDB. AWS and Firebase are adopted for cloud deployment. In addition, we use the AWS S3 as our figurebed to store uploaded images and CloudFront CDN to accelerate image loading speed. Regarding implementation, we have achieved connectivity by 3 categories: images as the internet data source, and we could access to user data source from device photo gallery and keyboard inputs. Lastly, AWM have provided us with cloud source. We also use multiple sensors as well. For map, event creation, and event display, we adopted location GPS sensor. Camera sensor for event creation and profile allows users to take photos as the image they would like to upload, and notification sensor for profile and chart feature. In terms of responsiveness, we can achieve image uploads within 5 seconds, map update within 3 seconds, request response within 1 second, and database update within 1 second. We designed the app user interface components following the Apple Human Interface guidelines, such as buttons, input box, and the page layout. For the flow, we use the HCI principles to design the use flow. Consider the mental model and conceptual model. Use user-centered principle to achieve usability and easy-to-use purpose. Messages and labels. We try to only display necessary and important information in the interface to avoid confuse user with redundant content, and use icon as metaphor to convey message to users. For reactiveness, the interface are dynamically react to sensors and changes. For example, create event will display a mark immediately on map, and upload images will appear in a second. Also, run operations will trigger corresponding dialogues as well. In summary, the software works as we expect for the prototype. It has achieved all required features we designed initially. The performance is also within an acceptable range. For future improvements, we could adopt Socket.io to further reduce the latency. And we could add some additional functionalities, such as route navigation or add friends. Thank you.